What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Got 3 different lights set up here, so let me know what you guys think. Does it look better or does it look worse? And I'm just kind of relaxing in my chair right now because I'm using the Galaxy S7 Plus, which I just purchased last week. I've had it for a week now and I'm really enjoying using it. In this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, and I'm also going to install the book cover. After Prime Day, it was still on sale, and I went to Best Buy and they were happy to match the price for me. So I ended up getting it for around $615 or $640, I can't remember, but it was a really good price, so I bought the book cover too, and we're gonna do an unboxing for that right now, guys. And I've got a new product to unbox today. This is the Tab S7 from Samsung. This is the 128GB model. Comes with the tablet, the S Pen, the wall charger. It's a slow charger though, it's not the 45-watt fast charger. It's a really nice tablet, AMOLED screen, 12.4 inches, HDR10 Plus. Really nice technology in this, octa-core processor, and you got some graphics processing. Really big, really sleek looking tablet. Thought it would be cool to take a look at for the channel. Okay, very nice packaging from Samsung. Got the tablet in this wax-like paper with the Samsung logo. Tab right here. My baby noticed that. You can pick up the tablet with that. This is the original adaptive fast charger for the USA, and it just uses a USB-A port. We've got here the S Pen, which feels pretty nice, very smooth in the hands, fairly clicky. It's a little bit mushy though. Got some paperwork, and we should have a USB-C cable here. Not the best USB cable, but hey, for 800 bucks, this is what you get, guys. You're going to take your charger, plug in the A port, and if you do have the fast charger that comes with the new Samsung phones, then you can already fast charge this. Let's open this bad boy. Pen magnetizes, so that's what it's showing in the photo there. Just take that off. Okay, so very big tablet, and as you can tell, the fingerprints are already getting there. I ordered some screen protectors for this, but we have not got them yet. With the S Pen there, it's a little hard to grip, so that's where you're gonna pop in your expandable storage, which Samsung does include with this tablet. And then you've got the USB-C. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers, so that's pretty awesome. It's Lulu crying there. Okay, so it's starting Android. And I'm going to set this up. A little size comparison for you. That's the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I didn't go crazy. I just got the book cover here. It goes right off like this. Open it up. And it just has a little notch for the S Pen. So this is the book cover, guys. And it magnetically closes. And somehow it magically sticks to the tablet like so. The pen flap stays there and does not stay all that great, but this actually folds like this, and then you can put it in different positions. And I'm gonna plug this in now that I have it. I'm gonna put the screen protector on. I can probably do another video for that. The book cover is interesting. I kind of wish I got the keyboard now. I thought this would be more stable. Everything's loading on up. Okay, guys, so we took a look at the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. What do you think of it? The build quality? Are you guys impressed for the price, or do you think it's overpriced? And we also took a look at this book cover. I also have a video where I'm going to put a screen protector on this bad boy, and it's a cheap one from Amazon, tempered glass. So if you're interested to watch that, leave a comment down below, and if I get enough interest, I'll definitely upload that video as well, guys. Using this thing is pretty awesome. It has some pretty beefy specs. I love the screen. I love the build of the tablet. My first impressions really are with the S Pen. I hate it. I don't really use the S Pen often. I'm not a very legible writer, and I'm not an artist, so I don't really enjoy using the S Pen. And just the placement on the back of this device, I think, is a horrible place for it. Every time you pick up the tablet, it falls off. I really don't like it. I don't know what they were thinking. With this particular book cover case, it does have a place to put the S Pen, but it just ends up falling out, guys. I don't know if the magnets aren't strong enough, but I'm really not enjoying using the S Pen. But the same deal with this book cover right here. All you have to do is put a little bit of pressure on it right here, and as you can see, it detaches, completely falls off. So you always want to make sure you're grabbing the tablet itself. I would not suggest leaving the house that much with this because I can already tell it's definitely going to fall off on me. When it's closed, it's not bad. I like the book cover because you can stand it up and it protects the tablet a little bit. But guys, if you're going to be moving this around, you're better off closing it. Don't pick it up like I just showed you because it'll be a disaster. It is really cool because as you can see, you can take it and you can close it like this. And then you got yourself almost like a little TV stand. I really do like that design, guys. I'm using it right now to check out myself, make sure I'm focused in camera. You know, I do like it, but for traveling, I would get a case, guys, still. I would get a case that still allows the tablet to be able to stand up if you want it. But that's basically all I gotta say, guys. Nitpicky, but the S Pen, I'm not in love with it. I do not like it. And this book cover is not really good for travel, so keep that in mind if you're wanting to purchase this tablet. If you're interested in purchasing it, look down below. I'll have some links to Amazon for the cheapest price for you guys, and it does not cost you anything to use those links, even if you're just gonna shop around. I'd greatly appreciate you clicking and using my links down below. It definitely helps support the channel. So guys, that's really all I've got to say. This is the Tab S7 Plus by Samsung, and I'm Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and until next week, I'm out. Peace.